Hi guys, this is my studio. Just to show me how many paintings I got on my back of in my wall. There's quite a few, about 85 that are framed. It's quite a lot, big collection. Yo, I don't know where to go with all of them. Still got that windy house there at the back. That's full. This is the spot where I paint. This is the area. There's my paints, my monitor. Here's some paintings on this wall that I'm busy with, playing around with. I have so much fun in this spot, and I'm so blessed to have this spot in my house and having so much fun. You can see how many is packed in it. Hundreds of paintings. Thanks, eh? Have a good one. Bye.